that entertains, educates,
YouTube,
and
what it is, what it
that
ain't.
ideal viewer.
I'm about to do another little dog feeding for Brew today.
Through consistency.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at the size of this thing.
Get you some kibble.
Look how thick it is.
The brand does matter.
There's a phrase
Get whatever you can afford, to be honest. Whatever works for you.
The YouTube algorithm. So I want you to follow
Kibble.
the YouTube recommendations system.
I add some regular rice.
Long-term
Don't really matter what brand.
So when you satisfy a
Put
viewer
about
with a video,
not quite a handful, but about just enough to fit in your palm. You know what I mean?
Nutro hopes to help make healthy soil
Just enough.
by helping farmers transform.
That is
More
bold.
Nutro.com.
your goal should be to satisfy that same viewer with your next video. Because what
Apple
YouTube
cider
will then do
vinegar
is find similar viewers
with
to
the
watch
ticks.
that video. And for